Yeah, it's super important. Very fortunate to be able to get the boys back together. Brilliant life experience for a lot of the guys. I mean, being able to go to Dubai and South Korea for myself personally, and for many of the boys, is a it's a first. So of course there's rugby goals, but there's life experiences which will hopefully enrich the boys. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, we're trying to broaden our squad, just broaden the depth. We've got a very strong UAE team. I think they just pipped the South Koreans in the Asia Cup, and they themselves reached the final. So we know we'll be in for a scrumming and a mauling battle, which will help prepare us hopefully for what's coming in the Africa Cup, which obviously doubles up as the World Cup qualifier. Yeah, we've received quite a lot of messages from people in the UAE. A lot of Zimbabweans find themselves there, and so we're looking forward to coming out and putting on a show for them. And then, yeah, we appreciate all the support we've had back home. We're very blessed to be able to be playing rugby in November. It's something that hasn't happened often, so we're looking to make the most of that.
Yeah, this is an amazing opportunity for us as the Sables to go away on a tour, to go to different countries, play in different conditions, and also just build within our team. It's a great opportunity for the coaches to test squad depth as we prepare for next year, which is a very important year for Zimbabwe rugby. And yeah, we're looking forward to the challenge. We know it's going to be very difficult. South Korea and the UAE are quality teams, also pushing to get qualification for the World Cup. So for us, it's a great test to go out there and to play in their countries against different opposition that we usually don't come up against. And for us, just to build as a team, to build on what we achieved this year and hopefully finish off on a high. So yeah, we're looking forward to the challenge. We thank you so much for your support. And we urge all Zimbabweans and Sable supporters in the UAE or in South Korea to come and support us.